Okay, so after we have done with that particular job, what we'll try to do, watch, as you can see, you can rotate your work. So we have gotten to this stage. So the next thing for us to do, we are going to click on right plane, then you click on sketch. Now when you click on right plane, you click on sketch, zoom in properly so you can see. We'll come to this area, this drop down arrow. We use a corner rectangle. Click on corner rectangle, we zoom in, we click here, and we drop down like this to get something like this. Now watch, you dimension this for me. You dimension this. I'm going to dimension it 6.37. 6.37. Are we on the right dimension? Because I wanted it to lap on the surface. I wanted it to lap on the surface. Like there should be a relationship, so I can escape it. If I'm not okay with that, escape, I'll just drag it down. Let it just be on top of this, like create a little relationship. So I'm okay with this. I click on smart dimension. I click here to here. I'll use 3.02. 3.02. Okay, that's the distance. Then from here, this length, I'll use 7.09. 7.09. Check. Then watch, please. Then after I've been able to, you can zoom out so you can see it properly. After I've been able to do this, I'll go to features and I'll click on extrude. Extrude. I can rotate it a little. You see, it's coming out like this, but this is not what I want. So I'll click on mid plane. Mid plane. You can see now it's in the center, but I'll make the thickness 5. Just the thickness of 5. Just the thickness of 5. Mid plane. Then I check. I now have something like this, as you can see. I now have something like this, very very small. I now have something like this. Then watch, please. Then I don't like as it is like this. I want to make it lap on this surface. So what do I have to do? I'll come here. Watch, please. I'll come here. I'll click here, and I'll click. See this? Click sketch. You zoom in so that you can go back to it, because it's a very little interface compared to how big the work is. So I'll zoom in. I'll click that part again. I'll click on convert entity. So that means I want to sketch on that surface. Then I'll click features. Then I'll click extrude again. Extrude, but this time I'm not going to extrude to any particular length. So I'll just tell them up to surface. Up to surface. So what's the surface? This is the surface I want to use. So watch. You see, when going up to surface, see what it's creating. See this pattern. Then I click OK. Then you not merge it. It's not merging. Up to surface, don't merge. Check. So I have something like this. Then we all know now, as we all know, this feature. Hold your control. Go this feature. We know our material from the previous video, wrought iron. So you see how it's looking. Just sketch up to surface, and you see how you can produce that. So we now have something like this. Are you guys seeing what I'm showing?